Hey guys, today I'm talking about some tools of the trade that you're going to need to help install your seat cover onto your foam cushion. It's mainly about hog ring pliers. It's not a typical tool that you're going to have in your toolbox unless you're in an upholstery shop. I'm going to show you what hog rings are, what the pliers are, what's the benefit of having the right tool for the job. Here's the seat cover, and it's got these strips that are sewn onto the seam. So here's the seam line. Here's this piece that's sewn into a hog ring strip that's sewn in. Here's this piece. It's the same as this. It just has a blue piece of plastic on it. Okay, this is what holds the leather cover into the foam cushion. So if you look at this foam cushion here, there's going to be a metal bar that's embedded into the foam. So every part there's a little opening in the foam, and you see the metal bar. That's where there's going to be a hog ring that attaches your cover to the foam. So let me show you how the hog ring pliers work. So it's nothing crazy, nothing elaborate. It's just a set of pliers, but it has some grooves that are cut right here into the tip, so that when you put a hog ring in it, which is basically a big metal glorified staple, it'll set in these grooves and it'll hold in place. So it holds that in place like that. Otherwise, if you try to use the set on needle nose pliers, more than likely that's what you're gonna have in your toolbox. That was fun. It's gonna be a real pain to do. It's gonna be shooting all over the garage. This is gonna help freaking unbelievably. It makes it so much easier to do. So when you squeeze these tight, it's going to start bending that ring into a triangle. You see how they start to overlap like that? So that's what attaches this hog ring strip that's sewn to the cover down to the foam cushion. That's what's going to hold your seat cover tight. Okay, the right tool for the right job makes all the difference in the world. These are available on our website for about 10 bucks. It's $10 worth of sanity to have a set of pliers that are hog ring pliers that actually bend the hog ring like it's supposed to. Because heck, this cover's got what, 4, 8, 9, 10, 13 hog rings. It'll take you forever if you're using the wrong tool. It's going to add an hour to your install. So these are a pretty good, decent set. A really high-end set's about 30 bucks. What makes it high-end is it's got a set of springs on it that holds the hog ring into place. So when you're going down deep into the groove of the foam to get it to hook, it's not going to fall out. Okay, it's a little bit of a luxury to have that. But you know what? You can upgrade your rig with a rubber band. There's no need to spend 30 bucks on a tool and shipping from somewhere else. You're already getting the cover from us and the foam cushion. You're already getting free shipping. Add the $10 pliers in there. That does the same thing. We grab a hog ring. It hooks in just fine. Holds in place. Won't fall out. Okay? Right tool for the right job. Get you a set of hog ring pliers for your cover. It'll make all the difference in the world.